Hi there, it's Jennifer Hart. Let's talk about the Neo Light Bed by Neoscience. Now, red light works on the outer layer of skin for skin health, but also the Neo Light Bed has invisible infrared light to help with circulation and muscle relaxation and work on your mitochondria, so all of your tissues will feel better. This 8-minute light therapy includes green for calming and red and blue to cleanse. The Neo Light Bed has touchless technology so your customers can control it all by themselves. Did I mention my friend Paris Hilton has the Neo Light Bed in her own spa? Well, my friend Paris Hilton has the Neo Light Bed in her own spa. 781-798-4440 for Jennifer Hart, that's me, or neoscience.com.